In this lesson, I will explain to you question number 14 and 15 of exercise 1.1 linear equations and inequalities. So question number 14, we have 3 multiplied by 2 minus x plus 6, which is equal to 4x plus 3. So we will apply the same rules which we have discussed already. This is the parenthesis. In front of the parenthesis we have 3, and there is no sign between this 3 and this parenthesis bracket. It means multiplication. So you have to multiply individually one by one whatever you have in the parenthesis with 3. So 3 2 times 6, then negative 3x plus 6 is equal to 4x plus 3. Now see, we will keep this negative 3x on the left hand side, and we do not have any other x. Here we have on the right hand side, other side of the equation, we have 4x, so we will take the transpose, means we will take this 4x to the left hand side and the sign will change. It will be negative 4x. Here on the right hand side we have only 3 left. This is positive. If you want, you can write down, but if there is no sign, it means it is positive. These two are constant. This is positive 6, no sign, it means positive. Positive 6, positive 6. So we have to take the transpose of these two 6 as well. It will be negative 6, negative 6. Then we will take to the other side of the equation. This is negative 3x, negative 4x, which will equal to negative 7x. And here is 3 with positive and then negative 12. One more step, it will be 12 minus 12 plus 3, which is equal to negative 9. See, we have negative both sides of the equation, so we will cancel. Now we have only 7x is equal to 9, but we need only x. We do not want anything with x. So first of all, we will see what is the relationship between 7 and x. So no sign between them, it means multiplication, and the opposite of multiplication is division. So how we will eliminate this 7? We have to divide it by 7. So same operation you have to do on the other side of the equation. These two will cancel, 7 one time, 7 one time. Now we have only x, which is equal to 9 over 7, and this is the answer. So see, we have x is equal to 9 over 7, which means this is linear equation. If you want to check whether your answer is correct or not, put the value of this x in this equation. Both sides should be equal. And this is the right answer. Now question number 15. Question number 15, we have 3x plus 2 is equal to, on the right hand side we have now parenthesis, otherwise question is more or less same. So see, left hand side will remains the same. In first step we have to multiply, right? This 4 times 16, and then with this 4 and sign is negative, 4 3 times 12x. Whatever you have in the parenthesis, one by one you have to multiply with 4. So now see, this is 3x will remains the same. This negative 12x, you have to take the transpose of negative 12x, which will be equal to positive 12x. Now we have only 16, positive 16 on the right hand side. We will take the transpose of this positive 2, which is negative 2. Now I think you should know very well what is the meaning of transpose. One more time. Transpose means we take whatever, this, suppose this is constant and this is with the variable, to the other side of the equation, the sign will change. So 3x plus 12x equal to 15x, and here 16 minus 2, which is equal to 14. So we want only x, we do not want anything, right? So you have to multiply with 15 here, 15 with here, same thing. This will cancel each other. X is equal to 14 over 15. So see, we have calculated that x is equal to 14 over 15. It means again this equation is a linear equation. If you want to check whether your answer is right or wrong, put the value of x in the first equation, or here you both right answer. If still any point is not clear, you can ask